Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel and for hopes you are good. In this video I'll show that how to post a video on Discord profile web. So friends, this way is very easy. First open your Discord app or web, then I can use Discord app and go to server friends. I'm go to server, then announcement, scroll down to my friend, plus icon, click now, then upload file and click local your video. Please then open. After upload this video, I remember that you using Discord free account, then you high upload 8 megabyte. Then click on that. My friends processing. My video is uploading in profile. So friends, after watching this video, subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get next video notification. Thank you for watching this video. Till then, take care.